The Success Program here at SMSU is designed to support and designated to support students who typically come from historically underserved populations. So students who are first generation, Pell Grant eligible, or students of color. And we work to help make sure that their first year here at SMSU is the best that it can be. We connect them with resources on campus, give them academic support tips, really help to build up their confidence so that way they can be successful through the rest of their time here.
Being far away from home, from San Diego, California, it's a really tough journey, and these people will be able to help you almost feel like you're home. Because I've been able to talk to them about anything in life, how much I miss home, talk to them about anything. It's almost like your own counselor, almost like your own therapy session. And with that, you'll be able to, they're really accepting, and it doesn't matter who you are.
I would say the students who are participating in this program feel like they have someone they can talk to when it comes to things they are stressed about, or if they want to celebrate a success, they know who they can turn to celebrate that success with, or they know who to turn to if they need advice or just a general idea of what step they can take next.
As long as students meet one of our 3 requirements, so being a student of color, a Pell Grant eligible, or first generation, they would simply go onto our website, and that's within the Deanne Griebel Student Success page, scroll down and click on the interest form, submit that, and then our staff will get in contact with you. There's a short 30-minute onboarding session where we cover what the expectations are in the program for participation, what the monthly financial incentive disbursement looks like, and then we start going right away. We get you scheduled for your first coaching session, and we just take it from there. Our coaching sessions are a minimum of 30 minutes apiece. For first-year students, they are held twice a month, and it's a schedule determined by both the coach and the student. We cover anything that the student needs to talk about, and typically our meetings start off with a, hey, how are you? And then, what do you want to talk about? Because we know that when students' lives are centered and calm outside of the classroom, they're much more likely to be successful in the classroom. So really, we let our students drive where we go with those conversations. Sometimes it is all academics, and sometimes it's everything for 25 minutes that's not related to academics, and then the last 5 minutes is just checking in about academics. It really is up to the student, because we want the student to have what they need to be successful when they walk out of the office.
The coaching sessions are great. It's great to be able to express your emotions throughout your classes, and it's just nice having someone to talk to about everything that's going on in your life when you don't have somebody to talk to.
Many sessions are either a catch up with the coach, just to have someone to talk to, or if you have some questions about the school in general or anything specific, your coach will typically have a direct answer, and if not, they'll know who to reach out to.
G's been real helpful with my knowledge of emailing professors, getting organizing my schedule and my time wisely.
I've been able to build relationships with people. I've been able to get closer to my teachers, and I've also been able to be more open to people. I've had to have more conversations with people because I'm sort of an introvert, and I've been able to start talking to people more because of this program.
My biggest takeaway from these coaching sessions is that it's okay to ask for help. No matter what it is, emotional, mental, physical needs, it's okay to reach out.
I highly suggest you join the program. Not only you will be able to build relationships with people, but you will also be able to almost have like your own counselor, because she's there anytime, like 7-Eleven, open anytime.